Ayan, dito kami sa tinitignan namin yung bahay na nakita nila Sharon. Ang laki ng ng nila likod, ang lawak. Ito yung napiling bahay nila Sharon. Titignan namin kung makakasundo sila. May garahe, ang ganda yun. Ay, may hagdanan pa. Ito yung sala. Ito yung kitchen. Oh, may cabinet. Oh, may ref na. May kailan na. May basement. Tapos ito yung CR. Okay, may bathtub. Okay. Ayos naman. Hello, baby.
And there's nothing on the market. Nothing. Have you been looking at houses?
Not yet. This will be the first one.
Oh, yeah. So you.
May kasama ng ref. Malaking ref. Nice? Is this nice? Nice daw, sabi ni Winter. Tapos mayroon
That's the backyard.
ang lawak ng backyard nila eh.
Huh? Where's that?
They closed that off.
Steps.
Just storage.
Oh, just go.
Invented. Yeah, the inventor is like really so low. It's like
Check ang bedroom.
I told them like, oh, this is like not the best and that's too low. That's why when he saw this, I'm like,
I know. Like that.
And the third. And the third one.
House that's been on the market for a long time.
Ito malaki. Yung dalawa parang pang bata, ito pang master bedroom. Tapos ang laki ng room nila. Ang laki.
oo, laki na. Grabe.
Lawak. Ito papunta to sa likod. Sa likod ng bahay. Lawak na. Tapos papunta sa garahe. Ayan. Ang lawak ng spacious. Ito yung likod. Papunta ng garahe to.
At one time, they added that upstairs. They
ito yung
must have
garahe.
added the upstairs onto this house.